Yeah, you can see, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, that's what we do. We preserve them. Yeah, we are not selling. We preserve. We preserve. Yeah, you can see we are preserving them. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, we have backed them. Yeah, yes. This is what the Swaggin' Papa does. So you see, all those things you have seen, we have chopped them or cut them beautifully and nicely. Yes. And these ones are on their way. This is the waste. Yeah, on their way to the freezer. You can still see some of them. You can see still see some of them. Yeah. The ones that are being dried to harvest seeds are here. Yes. That is how I go about it. For now, you can even see, yeah, you can see even the African marigold preserved. Yeah, you can preserve. So you can see. So it's an integrated thing. Oh, adwinku ne nyansa nko enya bete o enye bet sa enye bet sa. Yeah, your brain must work 24/7. This one, nobody is going to teach you in the classroom. You have to be able to think outside the box. So you see, yes, that is what the Swaggin' Papa is being up to day in, day out. As you see the produce, and you have been asking questions. You alone? How do you manage all this? No. You see, to be honest with you, as for me, I am always ready to share knowledge. I am always ready to assist anybody with my personal experiences, what I have done, what I am still doing, what we can all do together to help ourselves. I've been telling you, with the pollution of our water bodies, with this menace galamsey that we think is a political issue, a party, no, it's a national disaster. Folks, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I've made it known to you, I don't belong to any political party. I'm not a registered member of any political party, and I will never ever be, because I don't want to take sides. The acrimony that bedevils the different sides of the political divide. I don't want to be there. But with this galamsey thing, it is affecting everything. Your tap-borne water is not fit for drinking. We use mineral water. No wonder the prices are escalating, because filtering them and processing them is no kid's play. And I have continued telling the opinion leaders, the chiefs, everybody to get on board, because we are wired for disaster. Like I say, in less than 2 months, I'll be 65 years old. Why? Why should I go shouting politics? Am I coming back to the public service to become Commissioner General of Customs? Davida. I prefer my solitude. Let me enjoy my adult life. I have never enjoyed my adult life. Actually, when I say people don't believe it, I have been in public service. I have served my nation. I've rendered 35 years of meritorious service to Mother Ghana. I love my country, and I wouldn't want my country to go down. This polluted water, you can see the produce, the things that we grow, the water that we use to water it. The water is so hard that, Charlie, nothing, the crops are not even growing well. Yes, all these things I'm showing you, we preserve things and keeping them. Yeah. So I'll have to. You have to see it. Don't worry. That's why I drove Swago Mama. She wouldn't want people to see her off headquarters. You see, folks, let's do something for ourselves. The kind of vegetables, the food items we purchase in the market, they are all polluted, infected, whatever. Even the tap water, the crops are not growing. And in my area for 3 months that there has not been rains, it is only God. So when you see my produce, you tell yourself, yes, that the man has to break his back. These are results of very, very, very hard work. And I use the opportunity to thank David Deliciously Delicious, my sons, Sule, James, Patrick, and my daughters, Jal aka Shotingo, Baraka aka Logozo. Yeah, I nearly forgot. I should mention Patrick's nickname too. Patrick is Titola. Yeah, they helped me in the garden. Else, all these things you see will not be able to come to fruition. They are just waiting for the sun to go down. They jump into the garden, watering. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday, my official working day, and Sule and James will land, and from 6 o'clock we dive into the garden. We break our back, we work all day, and then we close around 4:35 p.m. all tired, but it's all good. At the end of the day, I get things to preserve till when they are even out of season, I'll just fall on them in the freezer and the fridge. Yeah. This one no be go come on. You are seeing it. Cauliflower and stuff. They are all here. Every place is choked. So yeah. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as a trained graduate teacher from University of Cape Coast, who he should have graduated in 1983, but Rollins closed down the universities in 83. So I graduated in 1984. So I'm a teacher. I love teaching. Yeah, spent my entire adult working life in the Ghana Revenue Authority, retired as an assistant commissioner. I'm a lawyer by profession. In fact, I nearly forgot. On the 30th of September, I'll celebrate 20 years at the bar and still counting. Yes, I've been putting it to now. I have to be a plant rights activist. Yeah, I'll be talking for the plants. No wonder I'm passionate about this Galamsey menace. You see, if you make all that money that you think that you are making, are you going to import water? Are you going to import food that we are growing and they are stunted growth and everything? And by the way, where are you going to go to with all these riches? It is very sad. It's a sad commentary, and I don't think I would have, under very normal circumstances, asked this question or cited this example. Everybody should pardon me, the family, the friends, everybody. Sabita Fletcher. When my junior lawyer, my junior learned friend, John Kuma died, and people were showing his assets at 45. I said, whoa, boy. So with all this, he couldn't buy life. Money cannot buy life. He died, he left everything behind. So those of you who think that you are making money, you are destroying Ghana. Children being born around these areas are born with deformities. Those of us even gardening far away from the water bodies, we are not seeing top. My people, me Butama, let's think. Where are we going to go with all this? Blood money, galamsey. Shame unto all of us. Yes, I'm screaming. Shame unto us. Yes, the political class, the political leadership, both ways, all political parties are involved in this. The churches, the Peace Council, the Catholic Bishops' Conference, the chiefs, the opinion leaders. Shame unto all of you. Yes, I have said it. Shame unto all of you. I am a patriot. I love Ghana. I don't have any other country. Yes. Rise up. Rise up. Let's arrest the situation. Yes. These are the reasons why I don't belong to any political party. These are the reasons why I'm not a registered member of any political party. So that my party people will call me to order and say, why did you say that? Well, I have said it. I have said it. It is not politics. I have aired my views. I have not mentioned anybody's name. I have not insulted anybody. I'm getting emotional. I'm out. I cry for Mother Ghana. Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why? Why? And you are sitting down. You are blaming Chinese. Do they know the forest? Do not know our cocoa farms? Do not know location where galamsey should be done? Who grants them the concessions? Who gives them the land? Who goes to protect them in the forest? Shame unto us. As a nation, we have failed. Yes, I don't want to say it, but we are pushing Ghana into the category of failed nations. If you want a banana republic, carry on. Me, I'm an old man. I'm a fused bulb. I stay in my house. I work in my house. Look, I have been telling people since I retired on the 22nd of November 2019, I have never tuned to any radio station in Ghana. I have never tuned to any TV station in Ghana. Mine is DSTV. Let me watch football. Whatever is going out there does not concern me. Nobody is paying me. But it has gotten to a point that we, the senior citizens, must talk. Please, develop a sense of social consciousness and stop this menace called galamsey. It is a shame. We must stop this nonsense. Where are we going to go with the money? If I don't stop, maje because of that, shalom. Peace to the masses. It's out like that. Migan. Cheers, mates. Peace. I'm out.